how to join a public game in Among Us. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Among Us game. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to join a public game in Among Us, over here you can see this play option. Tap on this. Next up, over here, you will see two different categories, local and online. In order to join a public game, you need to go to this online section, so tap on this online. Again, you will have three different options, whether you can create a game, you can enter the code, or you can find the game. If you know the game code, you can tap on this enter code option. You can enter the code and you'll find that game room. If you want to find random games, you can tap on this find the game option. It'll give you the list of game rooms available right now, so you can choose from them. You can simply tap on them and join this game room. So that's how you can easily join a public game in Among Us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.